And guess what day it is?
Sunday!
No.
Wednesday!
Cut. And guess what day it is?
Wednesday!
Welcome back everybody, and today is Wednesday. It's Chairlift Chat Wednesday, and I have Louise here on the chairlift, and we're heading up onto the way to Les Arcs from Villeroger, Les Drosses. And today we've got Louise.
G'day, Floss.
G'day. We've actually got the first Australian here on Chairlift Chat Wednesday. We want to talk to you about getting the right equipment, okay? Getting the right ski equipment. For your holiday, and a few tips that are going to help you out when you come over and have a skiing week.
Well, I heard this saying the other day. You can date your skis, but you have to be married to your boots.
Oh my God, I love that.
I don't know if it's true, but anyway, so I got married.
Okay, you got married to your boots.
I got some new.
So let me, let the audience to really sort of tune in here. So when I first met Louise, when we did a first lesson together, the equipment was really old and battered, and the edges didn't have any grip, and the feet were really moving out, round in the boot. And I just mentioned that it'd be really good to change the equipment.
You were pretty direct about it.
Okay, I was really strict. If you want to improve your skiing, the equipment is one of the biggest things.
Correct.
Louise took some recommendation, and what did you go and buy?
So I went and got some footbeds for my rental boots. I don't like to blame my tools. Like, there's other problems with my skiing apart from my tools. But I went and got some footbeds, and then I ended up buying some boots as well. They're not expensive boots, but they're quite furry.
Awesome.
And they've changed my life.
Excellent. So footbeds are really, really valuable. If you get a right footbed, it actually molds your foot onto the footbed, so you have more control actually skiing, and it makes a huge difference. And you can actually use those footbeds in different ski boots. So I would actually say that's number one. Did you change anything about the socks?
I did. I got some warmer socks. I could still do with some warmer ones though. But that's just the Aussie in me.
So socks are really important. I actually don't like too much of a thick sock because I have less feel. I normally have a medium cushion sock sort of throughout the winter and mid-season, and then I go on to a lighter sock, a merino sock, for the spring.
Right.
Yeah, so it lets my feet really breathe. So footbed, ski socks, and then obviously the boots, which you said is about being married to your ski boot.
Yeah.
Cool.
Married.
And how have you found it to help?
Massive improvement. So, because I've only ever used rental equipment before, so now, like, my foot feels so secure in the boot. It doesn't move around like it used to. So that's the footbed and my very own boots.
Amazing! So the takeaways from today, everybody who's back at home, really footbeds, get some socks, not too thick, don't wear two socks. Make sure the salopettes are not into your ski boot as well, because that causes rubbing. And make sure that the ski boots that you hire or have fit. So ideally you don't want any heel lift, you want everything nice and secure around your foot. So when you make those actions with the skis, they actually happen straight away instead of having a bit of a delay. Oh, fantastic. Now, thanks for watching, everybody, and don't forget to watch last week's video when we're talking about skiing and wine. And I'll drop the link in the description below. And if you do want to join us on Chairlift Chat Wednesday, just pop me a comment down below and I'll get back to you. So thanks, Louise, for joining.
Floss.
Boom.
Catch you later.